In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a module that goes on the sides of your pages. For example, the bumper sticker, or the latest video, or the radio interviews. All these images that are located down the side here. Okay, we're going to concentrate on this one, on the Operation Aware, the Flyers module here. Okay, so what we'll do is basically start going through the steps on how to set one of these up. Right, at the moment we're just going to we'll create a new one, and we'll show you how to load and unload it. So first we need to go into our administration pages. We hit Extensions, Module Manager, and once we're in here we click on New. Okay, and we select, because we're going to do some special stuff with it, insert some images and sort of make it look like a little mini web page. We need the custom HTML page right here. So we click on custom HTML. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is give it a title, and we'll call this Op Aware 2. Okay, we don't want this now. The next area here is, do we want this title to show? Well, let's have a look at the Op Aware. All right, notice this section here on the latest news article. That's the title of a module. And notice on the Operation Aware module, there's no title there. So to stop that from happening, we just go from show to hide. All right. It gives us, when we go into the admin pages, we can see the module by the title, but on the front page we don't have to actually show that. Okay. The next one is the position. All right. What we need to do is click the select position box. Okay. And we just make sure that we're using the latest ADSO template, ADSO 4. Right, if we open them all up, it gets a little bit confusing, and there's a whole swag of information there. And just make sure we select the latest number. The way I do the templates is I call it the website name, and the latest number is the latest template that's getting used. Okay, we're going to put it on the left-hand side of the page. All right, so left. So we select the left. Okay, the status will be published. It's going to be accessed by the public. Okay, and ordering, we'll leave the ordering there. That needs to change, and we'll go through that once we finish the module. Okay, the note, it's nothing that's shown on the website. It's just a note that you can see. So in here we'll go Op Aware 2 flyer. All right. Our start publishing, we want this to start publishing on the 4th of August, I think you said. So if we select August 4, that won't display until the 4th of August. Okay, so we can create it all, have it hidden in the back, and once it pops up, once the date crosses over, it'll pop up on the website automatically. So that makes it a fairly handy feature to have. And now in here we have our text editor. Okay. Now here you do exactly what you need to do for any other website. So what we need to do is we're going to center the text. Because it's such a small, narrow space that we're looking at, we just need to make the text a little bit smaller. And what we need to do is we're going to put in the Operation Aware 2 header. So we click on the image, and this shows the image manager window. And what we need to do is, we haven't actually uploaded the image yet into the website to use. So what we need to do is we need to upload the image. To upload an image into a website, we go from the image manager, we click on the upload image icon that's shown here. Another little pop-up window appears. You click browse. Now this shows a browsing window of your computer. Okay, and as I said before, you need to browse for the file that you want to upload from this window. Okay, you can't go to another window and expect it to work. It has to be this window. So what we're going to go do is just work through my file structure here and grab the ADSO2 header. There it is. Open it. Okay, now you can browse for more files if you want. Okay, and you can add as many as you like, and then just click upload. It'll upload them all at once. So you just keep browsing and adding and browsing and adding until you've got what you want up there, and then you click upload. But at this moment, I'm just going to put in the Opperware 2 module. Click upload. Okay, once you see a green tick, it disappears and it actually goes down to the Operationware 2. Now notice it hasn't put it up into the top section here yet. All we need to do is click on the insert icon down here, and it places it into position for us. Once it's there and we're happy with it, now the image size, okay, the image large a little bit size, just to make it a little bit smaller to fit the module, the window size. We click insert, and there it appears on the page. You know, if we hit Shift Enter, it puts the cursor just below that image, but without creating a new paragraph. So that keeps the images closer together. In here, you can type whatever you want. You can put another image in there if you like. So we'll just at this stage we'll just go and put another image in. Say Fly 3 for now. Okay, click insert, and from there you can place a link onto your image. Let's go that one. We'll pick that one for now. Insert. Okay, so your image there. Once you're happy and it looks pretty good, we go down to the next stage, okay, of the article, and that's where this module will be shown on the website pages. Okay, now at the moment it's going to be shown, you'll show it on all pages. Now you don't want to do that because there are some things that on certain websites, web pages that we have on our site, which would throw everything out of whack. So what I usually do here is I'll select no pages, and what that does is that gets rid of all the check marks in all the menu links, and then I select only on the pages selected. Now for this Opperware module, it's only shown on the front page. So we click on main menu and we select home page. Okay, and that's all. That's the only page it will be shown on. Now you can show it on as many different pages as you like. However, you need to be careful when you do that, because if you do that, you'll find you'll throw a lot of other things out of whack. And if you start looking at certain pages around your website, you find some things are out of alignment, or things just aren't working right. It's because you've put a module in where it's not really needed. Okay, so just be careful where you put these things. A lot of times our front page is our main page for things, people to see stuff, and it's our main browsing window, so most of the time we just need to go into the home page menu. Alright, once we've done that, we then click save. We'll click save, and our module is saved. Now notice we've published it and it's for the public forum. If we click on the home page and click refresh, notice how it doesn't appear anywhere. Right, we're looking down the left hand side here. It doesn't appear. Reason it doesn't appear is because we said don't publish this module until the 4th of August. Okay, let me change that just for the sake of the argument. Let's bring it back to 15th of July. All right, and watch what happens here. If we save it again, we come back and go refresh, it didn't publish. That would be because we are on a server that's over in the States, and it's the 14th of July over there. So let's make this 2 days early. Let's make this the 12th of July. Click save. Now when we go into our home page, there it is there. Okay, it pops up. Okay, so we can create modules prior to them being published and have them published on a certain date. Now just be aware of what I said there before. We are on server time, which means if you want this published on the 4th of August, bear in mind that it's not 4th of August Australia time, it's 4th of August on server time, which is over in the States, which is about 14 hours behind, which means what you would need to do is have this published on the 3rd of August. Okay, being the 3rd of August means that by the time it's due to be published on server time, it'll be around about the 4th of August here anyway. So just a bit of a trap there. The server is located over in the States, and we're about 14 hours or 16 hours ahead of those guys. So just be aware of that sort of stuff. Okay, and that's how you create a module for the website and where you locate it. Go through this module a few times. If you have any questions with it, get in touch with me. and I'll take you through a few things, or I'll update the module this tutorial a little bit. So I'll see you on the next tutorial.